Welcome back to Nature's Flippings. Hopefully this time we can find actual stuff. Let's go. Alright, let's go, y'all. YouTube. Nature's Flippings. Now it's time to flip stuff. First thing. We kind of flipped these in the other video, but it's such good content we have to do it again. Let's go. I see some stuff. There's bugs. There's bugs. Focus. There's ants over here. Just ants on ants on ants. Another one? Alright, we're going. I'll flip the bottle.
Flip that bottle.
Let's do 3, 2, 1. Oh god. 3, 2, 1. Oh, jackpot!
Jackpot.
Jackpot, move that. Oh.
Let's see.
Oh.